General Flying Tiger. Japanese pilot. Taiwanese god.
Scene 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a story for you.
October the 12th, 1944. Tainan.
US fighters are coming! Vroom. Oh my! Run! Mommy! Where are you? Come here! Hurry up! I'm scared. Shh! Be quiet.
In the airbase.
Come here. Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Off you go.
0 fighters.
Vroom. Rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Whoosh. Rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Boom. Bam! Oh no! I got hit! Look at the fighter! It's on fire! It's going up! It's going down! Oh my! It's falling! It's falling! Oh no! How's this?
It's flying to the east.
Hurry! Up, up, up! Where is it going? To the fields. No houses, no people. Look! He jumped.
The fighter hit the ground.
Crash!
Kaboom!
Pop! Ah! Start!
He died.
Sekiula.
Who was he?
Shikemine Sekiula.
1923 to 1944.